expectations. It's Sundowns, now I have expectations for them. Now I expect them this time around, they should win ICAF. Because now, but there's no excuse anymore, Mpethu. And I'll tell you why. There's no excuse, Mpethu. Each and every season, this club spends money, spends quality on top of equality. Yabo, to win Ilokonja, ICAF. They spend as much as Al Ahly to win ICAF, but they end up not winning it. They change about coaching and everything. They have to win ICAF because this squad Sabo is built for ICAF, and it's been built for ICAF for quite a few seasons now.
For years.
For years and years and years, the squad has been built for ICAF, and they're still not winning it. So they have to win ICAF now. Yeah, well, if last season Bafia finally and lost by 1 goal, this season is the time for Uti by win. Yeah, well, so now I'm expecting Uti by win. I mean, obviously, ICAF is not going to be. It's not